It tastes great. But anyways, the chocolate chip cookie pancake. Got these cookies and these pancakes here, about the same size. Boom, 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 boom. Because I'm not a fan of honey, but I will drizzle some syrup up on this. Oh god, yeah, it's like so. If I had powdered sugar, I think that would make that taste a little even better. But I don't know. What you guys think? Chocolate chip cookie pancake. Give it a taste once. And some of the cookie. A little bit. See right there? And yes, I got a baby spoon right now because don't have no clean forks. But tell you what, not bad.